We have highlights from a box of 2021 Heritage high number baseball. We're going to find a real one, auto or relic in every box.
What was it? Was it an auto or a relic?
It was an auto.
Ooh, that's exciting.
So
we're getting that out of the way. So stay tuned here for the auto.
All right, so some rookies for my White Sox, Luis Gonzalez. For James, Alex Kirilloff. For the local team around here, Andres Jimenez, Jazz Chisholm Jr., Mickey Moniak Jr. They were some of the more marquee rookies. The only Cubs ones were, I believe, if I remember, were pitchers, so I didn't even bother, Ivan, because I know.
Yeah.
All right, 2 Chrome cards, including Aroldis Chapman, numbered to 399, and Ahmed Rosario for the Indians, and that one's a red, numbered to 372.
Oh, interesting numbering choice there, but the red looks pretty cool on that 1972 design. Yeah,
I think the sweet spot here is the inserts. Okay, check out, how about Roberto Clemente's 3000? Are there really 3,000 cards in the set? I don't think so. I think it's just highlights. But that is, I love the look and feel and design and image of that. Is that at Wrigley? Doesn't that look a little Wrigley-ish? I don't know. A little hard to tell. How about this one? Also killer design. 1972 World Series highlight. Raleigh Fingers closes out Game 7. Rookie performers, Sixto Sanchez. Now and Then. This is a Cubs no-no from September 13th, 2020. Is this do you remember this, Ivan? Alex Mills threw a no-no?
Yeah, I remember that specifically because I was on vacation and my Twitter went exploding with people because he did not have a trading card at the time.
Interesting.
So his Topps Now exploded. Actually, I think he had either a minor league card or maybe I think it was a minor league card. There's like 4 of them on eBay and they exploded.
I thought this was pretty cool, James, for your twins.
Yep.
The Boomba brothers.
Love it.
That's great.
Nelson Cruz isn't on the team anymore, but yep. It commemorates the Bomba squad when they hit all the home runs last year. So yeah, I get it. I like it.
And then, fittingly enough, NL MVP, Freddie Freeman. Okay. And then our auto.
Here we go.
On card, rookie pitcher for the Cleveland Indians, Triston McKenzie.
I mean,
how do we feel about Triston McKenzie?
He was good, right?
So he is good. I'm doing this whole thing, but that's really it's a little on me because I've just seen so many of his autos this year.
Right. There's a lot.
Okay,
but he's got heat, so all it takes is stringing together 2 or 3 great seasons. And look at Max Scherzer cards right now. Did you know that those are going off?
Yes,
I know.
I've been selling like Tigers ones.
Now I can't fit this entirely. Well, maybe if I go like this, it still loses something. But this is awesome. These are reminiscent of the old posters. This is Jose Abreu of the White Sox. I really don't want to give this away. I'd rather keep it, but we have rules. So,
Rob, it's probably a 75-cent poster.
Okay, I'll keep it then.
And now or forever hold your peace in chat. But come on, can we let Rob at least have the blow-up poster?
Triston McKenzie will give. You know what? We're going to give Triston, and we'll give those 2 Chrome cards away. How about that?
Separate or together?
To one winner. Yeah.
Got it. So Triston McKenzie.
I'm already doing enough shipping this weekend, Ivan, let alone next week. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.